Ever felt paralyzed by choices, like you're stuck in quicksand, unable to move forward? It's a common feeling, that sense of being overwhelmed by the sheer number of options before you. Worried about making the wrong move? The fear of failure can be a powerful deterrent, holding you back from taking any action at all. You're not alone. Many women struggle with this daily. That knot in your stomach, that feeling of unease, at a crossroads, big or small, whether it's choosing a career path, deciding on a major purchase, or even just figuring out what to have for dinner. I know it well. I've been there myself countless times. The voice that whispers, "What if you mess this up? What if you make the wrong choice and regret it later?" can keep you stuck, second-guessing everything, analyzing every possible outcome until you're completely paralyzed. But here's the truth. You can change that. You have the power to break free from that cycle of indecision and self-doubt. You can become a woman who trusts herself, her intuition, and her ability to make sound judgments, and moves forward with clarity, purpose, and a sense of unwavering confidence. Today, I'll share 10 powerful, actionable tips, strategies that you can implement immediately to start making decisions with greater ease and assurance. To help you make confident decisions that align with your values and your goals. If you're ready to stop hesitating and start acting, to take control of your life and make choices that empower you, you're in the right place. This is the beginning of a new chapter for you. Let's dive in. Let's unlock your decision-making potential. 1. Understand what's holding you back. We've all been there, staring at a crossroads, feeling utterly stuck. Why is making decisions, even the small ones, so hard? What is it that paralyzes us, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and unable to move forward? For many women, it comes down to 3 core fears. These are the invisible barriers that hold us back from living our fullest potential. The first is the fear of making the wrong choice, the anxiety that we'll choose a path that leads to regret or failure. Then there's people-pleasing, the deep-seated need to be liked and approved of, often at the expense of our own desires and needs. And finally, perfectionism, the relentless pursuit of flawlessness that sets impossibly high standards and leaves us feeling inadequate. We worry about disappointing others, about not meeting their expectations, or about facing criticism if we deviate from what's expected, or needing everything to be perfect before we act. We get caught up in the details, striving for an unattainable ideal. This all-or-nothing thinking keeps us frozen, trapped in a cycle of overthinking and inaction. But here's the secret. The key to unlocking your decision-making power lies in understanding and accepting your fears. You can feel fear and still make a decision. You can acknowledge the anxiety, the uncertainty, and still choose to move forward. The goal isn't to eliminate fear, to become fearless because fear is a natural human emotion, but to stop letting it drive your life, to reclaim control and make choices that align with your values and goals. You can acknowledge your worries and choose to act anyway. You can embrace imperfection, prioritize your own needs, and trust your intuition. 2. Clarify your values. Feeling stuck when making choices? Indecision can be paralyzing, leaving you feeling lost and unsure of which path to take. The key to confident decisions? Anchor them to your values. Think of your values as the bedrock upon which you build your life. Your values are your internal compass, guiding you towards what truly matters. They provide direction and purpose, helping you navigate life's complexities. When your choices align with them, you feel grounded, secure, and at peace. There's a sense of rightness, a feeling that you're living in accordance with your true self. Even if it's scary, because you know, deep down, that you're acting in integrity with what you believe in. Most of us never define our values, leaving us vulnerable to external pressures and societal expectations. But clarity is essential. Without it, we drift aimlessly, making choices that don't truly serve us. Write down your top 5 core values. Take some time for introspection and reflection. Think about moments you felt proud, fulfilled, and truly alive. What values were being honored in those moments, or frustrated to help you identify them? What situations made you feel angry, resentful, or compromised? What values were being violated? Keep this list visible. Place it where you'll see it every day, as a constant reminder of what's most important to you. Before any big decision, ask, does this support my values? Does this choice align with my core principles and beliefs? If yes, move forward with confidence, knowing that you're on the right path. 3. Ask the right questions. Stuck in indecision? You're probably asking fear-based questions like, what if I fail? Instead, ask, What outcome do I truly want? What am I actually afraid of? And is that fear realistic? Write down your fears and challenge them. Then ask, what would I choose if I wasn't afraid? That first instinct is often your intuition. By shifting your questions, you move from anxiety to clarity. Empowering questions lead to empowering decisions. 4. Practice the 80% rule. Perfectionism kills momentum. We wait for 100% certainty, but it never comes. The 80% rule? Once you're 80% sure, decide and act. That last 20% of clarity only comes from experience, not more thinking. Action creates clarity. Adopt the mantra. Done is better than perfect. Progress beats perfection every time. Give yourself permission to be imperfect and move forward. 80% is your new green light. 5. Listen to your intuition. Logic is important, but don't ignore your intuition. That gut feeling or quiet inner knowing. Your body sends signals: tension, calm, excitement, or dread. Pause, breathe, and notice what you feel physically when facing a choice. Intuition is usually calm and steady, not frantic. The more you listen, the stronger it gets. Trusting your intuition is a skill you build with practice. Let it guide you alongside logic. 6. Use a simple pros and cons list. A pros and cons list may seem basic, but it works. Writing things down organizes your thoughts and reduces overwhelm. List all the pros and cons, don't censor yourself. Then add a third column: gut feeling. Does the decision feel right or wrong? This bridges logic and intuition for a clearer choice. Sometimes seeing it all on paper is all you need. 7. Don't outsource your power. It's tempting to ask everyone else what you should do. Advice is helpful, but don't give away your power. No one else knows your values, your dreams, or intuition like you do. Use others as sounding boards, but make the final call yourself. Own your decisions, good or bad. Confidence grows when you trust yourself. Stop giving your power away. It belongs to you. 8. Give yourself a decision deadline. Indecision expands to fill the time you give it. Set a clear deadline for your decision, big or small. This creates urgency and focus. Write it down, tell a friend, and commit. Deadlines push you past analysis paralysis into action. It's a simple act of self-respect. Don't let decisions drag on. Set the clock and choose. 9. Reframe mistakes as learning. We fear mistakes, but every decision is a lesson, not a failure. Each outcome teaches you something valuable. Confidence grows from action, not perfection. The most confident people have made mistakes and learned from them. Ask, what can I learn from this? Instead of, what if I fail? This shift turns fear into curiosity and regret into growth. You'll always come out wiser. 10. Celebrate your courage, not just the outcome. Confidence isn't about perfect results, it's about the courage to act. Celebrate the moment you make a decision, not just the outcome. Every choice is a vote for your identity as a decisive woman. Small rituals like a happy dance or a kind word to yourself reinforce this. The more you celebrate your courage, the easier it gets to be brave. You're building a new identity with every decision. Honor your bravery. We've covered 10 practical tips for confident decision-making. It's not about being perfect. It's about trusting yourself and taking action. What decision have you been putting off? Share it in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else. If this helped you, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you for being here. Remember, you got this.